Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook on a Blackstone griddle. First, ensure your griddle is clean and level. Then, apply a thin, even layer of cooking oil, like flaxseed or canola, to the entire surface. Heat the griddle to a medium temperature until the oil begins to smoke, then let it cool slightly. Repeat this oiling and heating process 3 to 4 times to build a durable, non-stick seasoning. This initial preparation is crucial for optimal cooking performance and longevity. Once your griddle is seasoned, preheat it to the correct temperature for your meal. Remember, different foods require different heat levels. For example, searing steaks needs high heat, while eggs prefer medium-low. Utilize the griddle's multiple heat zones to cook various items simultaneously. A griddle press can help achieve a perfect crust on burgers or sandwiches. Always keep your spatulas and scrapers handy for efficient cooking and flipping. Proper cleaning after each use is vital for maintaining your griddle. While the griddle is still warm, use a scraper to remove any food residue. For stubborn bits, pour a small amount of water onto the hot surface to steam clean, then wipe it away with paper towels. Once clean and dry, apply another thin layer of cooking oil to protect the seasoned surface from rust. This simple routine ensures your griddle is always ready for its next culinary adventure. The versatility of a griddle is truly amazing. You can cook an entire breakfast, from crispy bacon and fluffy pancakes to perfectly fried eggs, all at once. Try making delicious smash burgers by pressing ground beef patties directly onto the hot surface for an incredible sear. Sautéing vegetables like onions and peppers for fajitas or stir-fries is also a breeze. Don't be afraid to experiment with different marinades and seasonings to elevate your dishes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.